Hello everyone, welcome to the HTML basics. So let's understand what is HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So what is hypertext? Hypertext is basically all the images, videos, text and all those data that transfer over the web is called hypertext. Okay. And what is markup language? Markup is a language using which you mark the content. You mark the content purpose of the content using markup language. But the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So, in order to mark your hypertext, you use a markup language. So, let's understand what is the purpose of HTML. Well, HTML is used to describe the structure of web page. So, if you look at the website, all the structure like you have a paragraph, heading, subheading, then you have photo, then header and the footer. All the structure is defined using HTML. So, the purpose of HTML when you write HTML is basically you describing the structure of the web page. So, HTML is used to describe how the content should be displayed on web browser. So, when you developing the website, HTML will give you some tags using which you can describe how those content should be displayed on web page. So, that's the purpose of HTML. HTML uses markup language to mark the content on the web page. For an example, if you want to display an image, you mark that image as an image using the markup language. So, all the things that you are doing in HTML is basically you are trying to mark up the content on the web page. So that's all you are doing in web page and how the markup looks like. Let me show you an example. So this is the markup. If you want to display paragraph that you want to write a paragraph of text, you mark it up with something or less markup looks like you have an less than symbol, greater than symbol, then you have a tag name that is basically the name of the markup. Then there is a starting point and ending point. The starting point will have less than and greater than the name of tag and ending tag will have the forward slash. What is HTML? So now let's do quick summary of what is HTML. HTML is a markup language. Markups all used in HTML to mark the contents. HTML is used to describe how the content should be on browser. HTML page helps to link all the resources on the server. Client browser sends the request to access the HTML page. Server sends the HTML page to client the browser. Client browser prints the HTML page. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next lecture.